Take out the door handle and install it onto the door panel with the door handle screws. Then install the door suction gasket onto the door panel with small screws. Then press the door panel latch into both sides of the door panel. Take out the shelf board and install the door suction onto the shelf board with small screws. Leave one shelf board here without installing the door suction. Next, install the shelf with the door stopper installed and the side frame together. Pay attention to aligning the groove positions, then use cabinet screws to fasten and tighten on the side frame. Next, install the remaining shelves in order. Finally, install the shelf without the door stopper. Flip the frame. Insert the back panel along the shelf groove. Insert the remaining back panels one by one. Take out the side frame, and clip the back panel into the groove of the side frame. Then tighten the screws on the side frame. Straighten the rack. Install the assembled door panel onto the frame. Note that the door latch can be pressed in here for easy installation. Next, insert the metal clip strip under the door panel. Install the remaining door panels. The installation is complete after the door panel is installed.